After a brief wait, the powerful VMEG video editor will be ready for you. You can manually edit the translation script of the video, or use the help of AI to retranslate sentences. Then, click the Redub button to generate more contextually accurate sentences. Feel free to repeat this process until the translation meets your perfect standard. Next, you can make detailed adjustments, choose a favorite font size, and drag the subtitle module to adjust its position. You can freely choose to enable lip sync to make the video speakers behave more naturally. This special effect is only generated after exporting the video. In the media panel, you can zoom in and out on the timeline for easier navigation. Click on a subtitle bar, and it will automatically jump to the corresponding sentence in the translation panel.
Bienvenue chez VMEG, l'avenir de la traduction vidéo.
You can also adjust its length by dragging it horizontally. Shorten it, and the speech speed will increase.
Bienvenue chez VMEG, l'avenir de la traduction vidéo.
Lengthen it, and the speech speed will slow down.
Bienvenue chez VMEG, l'avenir de la traduction vidéo.
Then, you can adjust the subtitles position to match the timing of the speaker's mouth movements, ensuring a more precise video translation. Try using the VMEG translation editor, achieving a professional level.